In the city lights, she dazzles with her flair. Fashion shows, design dreams, moves creating everywhere. On the beach, moves chasing waves, barefoot in the sand. With a custom-made creations, moves the queen of every land. The nature calls her name, adventures in her soul. Through every peak and valley, Moo's always in control. Moo, you light the way, with your heart so free, spreading joy and good vibes for the world to see.
Yuh guys, udah landing nih, turun pesawat langsung pesan papaya salad. Kita cobain bagaimana rasanya papaya salad asli orang Thailand yang bikin guys. Kemarin aku bikin tapi rasanya kurang, tapi
Take also watermelon or anything.
so good. Enak banget. Wanna try?
No, I can't drink. When I drink water, I go to diarrhea.
Oh ya?
Yeah, so bad. Yesterday, oh.
This is my favorite sabet.
Yeah. These I also like.
So
Now
it-
I can eat also spicy. I eat
Yeah?
everything now. And this is white water there.